Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slow. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. So this is either because the phone is not powerful enough or because you are not taking a good care of it. Okay, so if you will follow the instructions I'm about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition. So great. First aspect that can slow down your device is your memory of your device, of course. So the onboard memory of a device is a limited resource, so often the winner is the one who invests in a device with more built-in memory, and the whole point is that devices with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70%. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up your memory of your device, of course. In order to free up space in your internal storage, you can delete unused applications. How to do it? Just open your settings app, click storage, and here in storage, here you will see the graphics about how much space you have free and how much space you have full. As you can see, I have only 16 gigabytes used, so it's great condition of my device. But if you have 55 gigabytes full, so you need to release the space. So to do it, just find the most space-hungry applications. For example, open apps, and as you can see, here I have booking.com, but can I delete it? Okay, so find booking now, and so click uninstall. Great, booking was successfully uninstalled. Great. Search for space-hungry applications. Okay, what I have? System. Of course, we can't free up the system space. So just TikTok, for example. I want to delete the TikTok app, so I want to uninstall it. Great. Okay, the second way to free up the space of your device is uploading your images and videos, your media, to the cloud storage. You can use free cloud drives for it. For example, every cloud storage drive gives you 3 gigabytes. For example, Google Drive, Google Photo gives you 15 gigabytes for free. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. Microsoft Drive, OneDrive gives you 10 gigabytes for free, if you remember. And great, so if you want to upload your apps, just install the one of the cloud storage drives and just upload your photos and videos. Great. The second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processes the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the application. In order to unload the memory of running apps, just click on 3-stick button and just unload all apps manually, or just click clear all to unload all your running applications. Great. The third aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operating system litter leaving behind a lot of junk. So junk files are not noticeable to the average user of the device, and in order to clean the files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you to use Deep Cleaner app because it's completely free and it doesn't work in the RAM in the background. So just find Deep Cleaner, find this app. I can find it. Deep Cleaner, okay. As you can see, we have this app. So just find it. Click open. Click next. Okay, it doesn't work on my device. Okay, maybe. So I need to find another app. Okay, great. As you can see, Deep Cleaner is searching for junk files. So click Junk Clean, and as you can see, junk file cleaning complete. And of course, you can use junk file you can use click scan to scan all your junk files. I have free system now because it's a new device, and of course I have no junk files now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.